I need your help. Is it pronounced ombre or ombre? Such a weird word, but it is a beautiful color effect. Either way, I do love this Dutch oven. It's on sale right now for $48 with an additional $2 coupon, which is a steal considering similar pots are in the hundreds of dollars. It also comes with a money back guarantee and it's dishwasher safe. I really appreciate that because I don't know about you, but anything that I have to hand wash tends to sit in the sink or on the counter for a while before I finally get to it. I'm excited to cook up my first batch of fall chili. Maybe I'll do it this weekend since it's going to be raining all weekend anyway. I can see these becoming really popular around the holidays. I would grab one now while they're still in stock.